Are you ready to taste the juiciest Thanksgiving turkey ever? The secret is not in any fancy store-bought seasoning. Join me. Let me show you exactly how to make the perfect turkey brine. In a large saucepan, combine half a gallon of water, which is 8 cups, brown sugar, salt, garlic crushed, bay leaves, whole allspice, whole black peppercorns, chicken seasoning, dried thyme, dried rosemary, and orange and lemon. Stir it very well. Cover it and bring it to a boil under medium heat. Now, after bringing it to a boil, stir it very well. Cover it and reduce the heat. Allow it to simmer for 5 to 10 minutes until the salt and sugar have dissolved completely and all the amazing flavors have infused. If you use this, my simple foolproof recipe to make your own brine, you will not worry about dry turkey ever again. And you wouldn't even want to use store-bought brine anymore. After simmering for 10 minutes, remove from heat and add the remaining 1.5 gallons of water. Stir to combine very well. Then allow the solution to cool completely before you use it to brine your turkey. As you can see in the video, you don't have to boil all the 2 gallons of water to make the brine. Now that you have learned the method that guarantees juicy golden perfection every single time, go ahead and grab your ingredients, make your own brine, and treat your family and guests to the juiciest Thanksgiving turkey ever. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Happy Thanksgiving to you and all yours. Remain blessed.